If your building is shaking, you don't paint the walls, you check the beams. Most people are out there painting walls while the ground underneath them is shifting. Welcome to the Sovereign Reign. I'm Ladella Larena Robles. Whether you're watching this on YouTube or listening on your favorite podcast app, I'm glad you're here. Let's get right into it. Most people think their problem is stress or lack of motivation or lack of discipline. They spend years trying to fix their feelings as if their life is some sort of psychology experiment that never ends. It isn't. The real issue is simpler, but harder to see. You're trying to build a high-level life on a foundation that was never designed to support it. Now, let me be clear. That doesn't mean you aren't capable of that life. It doesn't mean that you aren't strong enough to have it. It just means that the way you've been taught to go about it is out of order. We've been told for decades that it starts with the mind, but it actually starts with the body. If your building is shaking, you don't paint the walls, you check the beams. Most people are out there painting walls while the ground underneath them is shifting. You aren't failing at being a person. You're just trying to run a high-voltage life through old, frayed wiring. Think about a house built 60 years ago. It was designed to run a few lights, a radio, but today, you're trying to plug in an entire server farm. Your business, your family, your dreams, the pressure from the world. When that breaker flips and the lights go out, is that the light bulb's fault? Is the light bulb unmotivated? Of course not. The system simply hit a limit. You aren't lazy. You aren't broken. You're simply outperforming your current internal setup. In your life, we call this flip breaker things like burnout, or that feeling of being one day away from losing it all, losing your mind, stressed. But those aren't the real issues. Those are just your body protecting itself from a total meltdown because the foundation wasn't built for this current. You've been trying to push through the dark, but the problem isn't your effort. It's the wiring. When your system is overloaded like this, it creates a constant low-level hum in the background of your life. It's like the refrigerator that's struggling to stay cold. You stop hearing the noise after a while because you got used to it, but it's still draining that power. Most of the advice out there is like putting a sticker over a warning light on your dashboard. It hides the light, but the engine is still overheating. You don't need more information. You need a structural reset. You need to quiet that background hum so your system can finally cool down and see the map again. This channel and my podcast exist to talk about that. Not in slogans, not in theories, but in the real structural terms you can recognize in your own life. I'm Ladella Robles, and here we explore how pressure, identity, and internal balance actually work. Not what happens when they don't. Some episodes will be quiet reset audio protocols that's designed to act as a warm blanket for your brain, especially when your system feels overloaded and stressed. They turn the dial away from the noise so your body can finally hear itself. Others will be direct teachings on how to rebuild that internal foundation. Everything shared here is designed to help you stop guessing and start stabilizing. You've been carrying heavy loads for a long time. It's time to put that down. You may have a problem. You may feel a certain way. I can tell you why it's happening, how to fix it, and how to keep it that way. I'm Ladella Robles. Let's go to work.